This is Ramil Coins Collection. Dito ay pakikita natin ang panibagong coins. 2010 coins. American coins. President of the America, Milan Pillamore, 13th President of the America. Uncirculated coins, presidential, 13th President of the America, 1850 up to 1853. Milan Pillamore coins, gold, 2010. D. Uncirculated. Yan. 80 ang kanyang kilo. Sa eBay makikita nyo kung magkano ang price niya ngayon. Thank you for watching my video. This is Ramil Coins Collection. Bumabati sa inyo ng magandang umaga. Thank you for watching my video.